Hello everyone, good evening. Another reaction video, and I can't believe I'm doing this right now. I have seen in my wall, one of my friends shared a video. It's actually an article of the GMA that Mayor Vico Sotto is an NGSB, no girlfriend since birth. So I was quite interested with that article, with that news. So now I just opened the YouTube channel of GMA, and we will watch the video interview of Mayor Vico Sotto, and I'll be making a reaction video. Yeah, let's do this, guys.
Ang panauhin natin ngayong gabi ay si Pasig City Mayor Victor Maria Regis Vico Sotto. Mag-uumpisa ako ng question, ano ha?
Sige po.
30 years old na kayo. How many girlfriends have you had? How many girlfriends have you had in your life?
Wala ho. Wala po. Hindi, parang lalo na sa ngayon, last thing on my mind, ika nga. Talagang focus muna sa trabaho.
Do you look for in a girl?
Ang gusto ko sana, although hindi naman po tayo magiging choosy, ano? Gusto natin...
Halatang choosy na kayo ngayon. Wala pa kayong girlfriend.
Gusto ko sana yung matalino. May itsura naman. Same wavelength kami. Nagkakaintindi. Ngayon, masasabi ko na lang po dyan, Diyos na po bahala.
You're talking about 10-year programs. You're talking about 20-year programs. It looks like you want to stay. I mean, you know...
I'm open to staying for 9 years. Kung gusto ng tao. Definitely nothing beyond 9 years. Ako ho, yung ginagawa kong plano, yung ginagawa ng team ko na plano, lagi pong dapat sobra dun sa 9 years. Kasi dapat po, hindi lang ito plano para sa akin. Ang isang magaling na leader, maito-turn over po yan sa susunod na leader. So kung hindi ko po siya ma-turn over sa susunod na leader,
nag-fail ka.
hindi po ako nagtagumpay.
Thank you so much, Mayor Vico.
I admire him most is being a leader. You could really see the passion that he wants to serve the people, the way he answers the questions. Mas sure siya sa pagsagot niya with regards to his term as the mayor rather than his answer during the question about his love life. So mas nakaplano siya for the future of his constituents, the people that he is serving. So support ako sa iyo, Mayor, for being single until 9 years. He'll be 39 years old by then. So you still have 1 year before turning 40 to find that special girl. Well, anyway, speaking of no girlfriend since birth, I also made a short film that's NBSB naman. That's no boyfriend since birth. And during my previous reaction video, I told you that it was okay. Nasama siya sa Cinemalaya na curated program. So if you haven't watched it yet, I'll link it down below, and I hope you will get to watch it. And please do subscribe to my channel. That's Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger. So for more videos and for more updates about Iloilo, and sana maka-vlog ko si Mayor Vico maybe after his term. Wow, after his term, after 9 years, after 3 years, or next year, this year. Anyway, yun, I want to meet him. Wow, kung maka-meet him. Well, and yun, let's end this video. Thank you very much for watching.